Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove white margin from a single PDF page using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this left sidebar page thumbnail option and I'll remove this page white margin, and now click right button for one mouse cursor and here you will find this crop pages option. Click here and this crop page dialog box now open and simply select here remove margin and select that page showing here this page number 4. Also you can type here page number 4 or other page you want to remove and select crop and see this white margin now remove. In this way again remove the selected pages white margin. Also remove this page white margin, select crop and select remove white margin and select crop and see this. In this way again remove your selected pages white margin and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.